guys, voice actor from ML. Papa and Copa are the best partner in the world. I do what I want to do. 3,000 words. I'm not a single word D5. To me, fun is of my manners. Target downs. Give me a target. That's it now, guys. Ayun na yung post after from ML.